I get in my Jeep to go home, and what do I find? I find a non-functional taillight. That is only a reflector, but a non-functional taillight. Well, hopefully I won't get a ticket on the way home, and we'll get the tools out, take this off in the daylight, and I bet the socket's burned up. I bet it is. We'll see. Okay, in the daylight it still doesn't work. I just noticed though, these lights get hot. That light's got a dent in it that this one does not have. So hot, I don't understand. Well, the bolts that the screws that retain this are up in this crack up in here, and it takes a 20 Torx 20. That's kind of tight. It'd be great if you could get a very long one, and also one with a magnetic tip would be helpful, but it's not very difficult to get out. You just don't want to drop the screw. So I'm going to have to put my hand down through here, lay the phone down so I don't mess up. Got the screw. Just reach in there and grab it like this, and then you can extract your screwdriver. This one might be a little more difficult to reach. And here we go. Due to the hinge being in a different position, it's easier to get the screwdriver on. Alright. Once again, lay the phone down. Oh no. On this one I had to actually reach in through here with my hand. You can't get in there. It's too tight. Way too tight. Now, go back on the outside, grab your socket, your light, and just pull on it. There we go. You look here. This is the socket for the top tail light. Look at that. The bulb is gone. Piece of glass even missing. That's not even play with this socket, because you can see we're not even gonna play with this socket. It's charred. It's gonna be a lot of heat on the contacts. So I went into O'Reilly's and got me a new socket. Wow, ain't gonna focus, is it? Number water on the lens or something, I don't know. Anyway, the socket number is 923034. It's your new socket. Got some new bulbs. Hold on. Taillight sockets are not like headlight sockets. You can touch them. Just pop it in there. Go back around. Sometimes now, this stuff will get so hot that these contacts will get depressed into the plastic, and then you're going to have to get something to pry up on these contacts, or maybe even have to get an entirely new tail light. Now you see these tabs on here, these contacts, they have to correspond to these tabs on the tail light. So you just do that and twist it. Now go try, whoa, go try the light. Oh, look at that little booger right there. Nice. Taillight is on. Pop it back into place, just like so. Put your screw it's hard to do one-handed. Put your screw on the end of your screwdriver, and with a upwards kind of motion, you just kind of gently guide it in here so you get it lined up to the hole. And if you pushed your taillight all the way in, you should be able to tighten it up. You can see in here that these holes are lined up. So before tightening anything all the way down, you want to start both of them. Do it real carefully so you don't drop your screw. Now you can tighten it all the way down. Now, you may want to consider buying all of the new sockets, because they get hot and they just go bad. So you might want to consider replacing all the sockets. You can get them, a set of them on eBay, fairly inexpensive. This socket was how much? It was $9.99. The tail lights were $7.49. And the screwdriver to do it with, the Torx bit, was $5.99, all plus taxes. This, like I say, is a Torx 20. That's how you do it. There's no edit, except for what was going on last night and today. Have a good day. That's all the time it takes.